So what are the different ways in which we can consume millets? Millets are available in various types. So, the major millets and the minor millets, they can be consumed in very many forms. The major millets primarily are more suited for flour-based dishes, although the minor millet flours can also be consumed for rice-based flour dishes. And the minor millets are more suited for rice-based cooking if you're using them whole. But in terms of forms of various millets, millets are available in the whole form. They are available in the flour or the atta form. They are available in the suji or rava form or semolina. So you can even consume them like semolina. They are available in poha or flakes format. So if you wanted to include some nutritious flakes in your diet, you can consume millet flakes. We even provide them in sprouted forms. So sprouted ragi flour, sprouted jowar flour. So sprouted flours are also available. So, there are, if you were to plan your meal, for instance, and you wanted to consume the same millet for all 3 meals, you don't have to be limited just to the rice option or the whole option of millets. You can maybe have like an upma or an idli made in one meal, and you can have the rice in another meal. You can have the poha in another meal. So it gives you options across the day and for different sort of meal solutions to access these different forms of millets. So this is one of the aspects that we should keep in mind, that they are not available only in certain specific ways. So it's not just rice or it's not just atta. There are different varieties in which millets can be used.